Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Doom: The Dark Ages Revelations not launching, crashing on startup. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open your Steam, go to library, find your game. You wanna right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, and then click verify integrity of the game files. After you verified the game files, if you have it through the Xbox app, you can do the same there. You simply open the Xbox app and find your game on the list. So my library, and then find your game, and you can right click on it, click manage, go to files, and then verify and repair files, and it will repair all the files. And after it's done, it will say 100%, and then you can play it. And now we can exit out of this, go to search, type in settings. In settings, you can go now to display, scroll down till you find graphics. Now click on the search list, type in Doom, and if it's not here, you can add it either from the desktop. If it's on desktop, click add the desktop app. Now if it's not here, you can add it through the Microsoft Store app if you have it through there. And if you cannot find it, the path for it, you can open your Steam again. Library, you can right click on your game, go to properties, click your installed files, click browse, and the path will open. Now you want to select all of this, copy it, exit out of this, go back here, and then click add the desktop app, go to the taskbar or this one, and you simply paste the path, and then you add the game, and then add the launcher. And now you want to switch the launcher from the let Windows decide to high performance, and exit out of this. Now also you want to right click on the game again, go to manage, browse local files. Once you find the game, you want to right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, click run this program for compatibility, select Windows 8. Now also you want to disable the full screen optimization, and you can run it as an administrator, click apply, click OK. After done all of that, what also you can look for is updating your Windows. So go to search, type in settings again, and then go to Windows Update and simply install the latest Windows Update. Maybe you're like far behind, you didn't update lately. And after you've done that, you can also open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers, and download the latest and greatest game ready drivers. And if you already done that, you can reinstall it, and maybe that fixes it. Restart your PC after you do it. Also, while you're in here, you can go to settings, disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on, go to system, and disable the G-Sync if you have it on. Also, make sure that is off, and then simply restart your PC and the game should work properly. Now, one more thing you can try if nothing else works is open your Steam again, and if you have your game, go to library, find your game again, go to properties, installed files. Now, if you have your game on like a local disk D, as I do, you can move the game files to local disk C where your Windows is installed, as that drive is more stable and has way less issues. Like it's more compatible for the games for whatever reason. And after you move the game, you simply click move. And after you move the game and then restart your PC, the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Doom: The Dark Ages Revelations not launching, crashing on startup. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.